Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs with tomatoes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. For each serving, you'll want 2 or 3 large eggs and 1 or 2 ripe, medium-sized tomatoes. Make sure you have about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil, along with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like parsley or chives, to enhance the flavors of your dish. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of our dish, the tomatoes. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool running water. Then, dice your tomatoes into small, even pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch cubes. Alternatively, you can slice them into thin wedges if that's your preference. For an extra layer of flavor, you might also mince 1 clove of garlic to add in with the tomatoes later. With your tomatoes prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your diced tomatoes and cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. Next, crack your 2 or 3 eggs directly into the pan alongside the tomatoes. Cook until the egg whites are fully set and the yolks are cooked to your preferred consistency, whether runny or firm. Finally, it's time to season and serve your delicious creation. Generously sprinkle your eggs and tomatoes with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For a vibrant finish and added freshness, garnish with some freshly chopped herbs such as parsley or chives. Serve this delightful dish immediately while it's warm. It's perfect for a quick breakfast, a satisfying brunch, or even a light and healthy meal any time of day. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.